to give the rising like Golden Age Film House Spartan Award. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Spartans for this particular batch: Ravi Teja, Vadlamani, Sushmita Suna, and Sumesh Mukundan. So, you guys are going to get this badge separately. So, please wait for it. And once you get it, you can share this also with people. So, can you all type congratulations for these three guys? Can you all type say congratulations for these three? So I'm sure everyone is curious to know the Rising Titan Awards. So just give me a second. Let me open that. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Where did it go? Many films were actually nicely done. Many films were actually very nicely done. So I'll do some special mentions. So I really liked Sushmita's film, Sushmita Suna's film. I liked, and I might forget some films because I saw it at the last moment. So just give me a second. I'm trying to recollect all the films and let you know. Yeah, Pankaj's film about slippers, I really liked, and Flower Pot. The Flower Pot was really good. And one more film I liked was Sushmita's. One more film I liked was Sushmita's. So in this, just a sec. The Rising Titan Award winner for this particular batch, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me a second. I think the name is not there in the channel, so I should not say the wrong name. Okay, who does this channel belong to? Creative Clusters. Creative Clusters. Who does this channel belong to? Can you type me in the chat box? Creative Clusters. Who does this channel belong to? Okay, I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the short film that is winning the Rising Titan Award for this particular batch is called Dust. It's called Dust. I don't know who the filmmaker is because in the tracker it's all messed up, and the film name is not there, like the participant name is not there. Anyways, we'll find and congratulate this person. I think it is just a second. I'm trying to find the person. Just give me a second. I think the person is not here, else they would have mentioned. So I'll just show you the film first, and then I'll talk about this. Okay, I got it. Okay, he's not here. So Ravi Teja is the Rising Titan Award winner for this particular batch, guys. So I had told Ravi Teja specifically like the film about dust might get tricky because he was trying to do it in darkness. It might not look like bright enough for people to watch it. But then when I saw the film, I realized it. I told you darkness can make the film very interesting. But the way he has gone about it is very amazing. I'll just show you and then I'll talk about my feedback and comments for this particular film. Have a look.
రే మచ్చా, నువ్వు పుట్టినప్పుడు నుంచి నీతోనే ఉన్నా. నువ్వు నీ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్తో రూమ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను కూడా నీతోనే ఉన్నా. నీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో కలిసున్నా, ఈ విశ్వమంతా వ్యాపించున్నా. నేను దేవుడిలాగా. నాకు కోపం వస్తే ఎలర్జీ తెప్పిస్తా. నువ్వు చచ్చే వరకు నీతోనే ఉంటా. తర్వాత కూడా ఉంటా. నాకు చావు లేదు. నన్ను ఫిజిక్స్లో ఛార్జ్ అంటారు, కానీ నన్ను అందరూ చీప్గా డస్ట్ అని పిలుస్తారు.
So how was the film, guys? How was the film? So using the darkness, he has created an amazing mood, and in that creating that dust effect, he has done it very beautifully. Technically, it's a demanding film because see, actually, if you see, the focus was changing a bit because in dark the phone can't handle the focus. So, but he has managed to do it very well, and the voice acting is nicely done. And technically, the visuals is what I like, and the way the titles come in the end is very professional. So, very great choices, Ravi. I personally like the film, so I think Ravi is not here. else I would have got him to talk a few words about how he did that, because I am curious to know how a newcomer took a concept like this and executed. So congratulations once again to the Rising Titan Award winner for the 30th batch. So there are some like special mentions which I already said, and few more things I'll be telling you in the one-on-one feedback. So wait for my feedback, make the corrections, and then release the film. So that's it, guys. That's the Rising Titan Award winner for this particular batch. So we are almost at the end of the session. Just give me 2 minutes and wrap it up. So what else I need to show you? Yeah, two more things I want to very importantly tell you, guys. All these awards and everything was just for fun. In life also, remember, in any stage of